Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Today, we're diving into OnTrajectory.com, a compelling platform that deserves a closer look. This site offers a unique approach to charting a successful career path, helping individuals identify their skills, explore various career options, and develop a personalized roadmap for achieving their professional goals. OnTrajectory doesn't simply provide a list of jobs, it offers a comprehensive system for understanding your potential and maximizing your career trajectory. Their approach is grounded in a deep understanding of the evolving job market, ensuring users receive relevant and up-to-date guidance. They recognize that career paths aren't always linear, and offer tools and resources to help navigate career transitions and changes with confidence. One of the standout features of OnTrajectory is its personalized approach. The platform takes the time to understand your individual strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations. This personalized insight helps users pinpoint career paths that align with their unique skill sets and interests. They go beyond simply suggesting job titles, delving into the specific skills and experiences required for each role. This granular level of detail empowers users to make informed decisions about their future. Furthermore, OnTrajectory provides practical advice and resources for developing the skills needed to succeed. This might include recommending online courses, workshops, or even mentorship programs. They understand that continuous learning is crucial for career advancement, and their platform is designed to support ongoing professional development. OnTrajectory also emphasizes the importance of networking and building professional connections. The platform provides tools and resources for connecting with individuals in your field, fostering valuable relationships that can lead to new opportunities. By creating a supportive community, OnTrajectory helps users navigate the complexities of the job market together. In a world where career paths are increasingly dynamic and complex, OnTrajectory provides a valuable compass. Their personalized approach, coupled with their commitment to providing up-to-date information and practical resources, makes them a powerful ally in the pursuit of professional success. Explore OnTrajectory.com and start shaping your ideal career path today.